If your chicken is coughing or breathing hard, don't rush to drug yet. This red onion trick might surprise you. Good day to all my viewers and farmers out there. I welcome you back again to Organic Poultry Lab. Today I will be discussing on how to use red onion for the treatment of coughing or hard breathing. Please do watch this video to the end, like, comment and subscribe. Many farmers ask me if red onion can help chickens with cough and breathing issue. Today, let us talk about the truth, the benefit and how to use it and its limits. What exactly is red onions does in chicken bodies? Red onions contain natural sulfur compound and antioxidants. This helps to 1. Loosen mucus, 2. Support respiratory system, and 3. Reduce mild infection, and 4. Boost immunity. That is why it is commonly used as a natural support, not a drug. When did this onion trick work best? These onions work best for 1. Mild cough, 2. Early cold symptoms, and 3. Dust or cold stress. 4. Weak immunity. How do we use it safely? Slice 1 medium red onion. Soak it in clean water for 6 to 8 hours. Give the onion water once daily for 2 to 3 days. Always use fresh water, never store it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment and share. Stay blessed.